In the 1960s, the Soviets became interested in Ekranoplans, vehicles using the so-called ground effect to glide just above the water. This allowed them to move faster than any ship while carrying more cargo than any airplane of comparable size. In 1987, the first and only Loon-class Ekranoplan entered military service. It had a wingspan of 144 meters and a length of 74 meters. Thanks to its 8 turbojet engines, Loon could fly 3 meters above the water at a speed of 550 kilometers an hour. It carried 6 missile launchers armed with 4-ton musket anti-ship missiles. While other countries did experiment with Ekranoplans, their armed forces never used them. Using Ekranoplans on rough seas was challenging. The Loon project ended with the collapse of the Soviet Union.